Looking across the Salish Sea and the Strait of Juan de Fuca, you could see a bit of it all. Whidbey Island had a rather deceptive gust of wind today, which knocked out power in some parts, delayed travel for others. The spring storm prompted sailings to stop at Keystone, problems for the Port Townsend run before it got back up and running in the early afternoon. A kind of day when, if you were stranded for a while, at least you got a show from Mother Nature for your troubles. And based on that dark curtain here behind me looking north towards the San Juan Islands and the North Sound, it looks like there's going to be another show here on Whidbey Island. So be prepared. It looks like more rain and wind on the way. That's the story. No. For now, live on Whidbey Island, I'm Chris Daniels, King 5 News.